My buddy Wilbur. Blue. I think that's his name, Blue. Come here, Wilbur. Never seen a turkey run around in the snow before. Hi there, guys. Hi there, guys. Hi there, guys. Come here, Wilbur. Let me pet you. Come here, Wilbur. Oh, that's my buddy Wilbur. Yeah, good boy. He likes being petted. He likes being petted. Oh, hi there, Wilbur. Hi there, Wilbur. There's Uno, the emu. See if I pet him today. He don't know me very well. He's new to me. Hi, Uno. You gonna let me pet you, Uno? Hi there, Uno. Zoom in or something. Come here, Uno. These far out feathers on this thing. Oh, they're forked feathers. Hey, guy, be quiet. See his name. I like the turkeys. I like Wilbur. He's my best buddy. Come here, Wilbur. Oh, he's a good guy. Look, he's getting all red. There's Ricky. That one's Ricky. All right, that's enough. Out here at Country Critters, checking out his critters. Hopefully, maybe see an eagle today. Good luck, y'all. There's a peregrine falcon. I want to do something. Second one I've seen today. Almost had a video of the other one, which would have been a lot better, but didn't hit the record button. Anyway, I'm in search of eagles. Hopefully I'll be back with something better than this. But there's my first sighting of peregrine falcon. Yeah, that's a kestrel. Our smallest hawk. Oh, get it in the view. Where'd he go? Come on, guy. Yeah, out bird chase today. Spotted a few kestrels. Whoa. He's going all over the place. Spotted a few kestrels and a few eagles and a couple of peregrine falcons, but we're still on the hunt. Hopefully we'll be back soon. There, I gotta zoom in. Finally found us an eagle to film. Bald eagle, baby. Is that little... There's something dead down there. Oh, come on. I ain't very good at camera work. Oh, there's two of them in that tree right there. Back up just a little bit. Oh, there they are. All right, just a little bit. Stop. Oh, there he goes. I think there's another one over here to the left too, wasn't there?
Yeah, that tree. Flying up to it.
Where did the other one go in the tree over? Here he comes back around. Oh, you can see his colors there. I got him in view. Oh, eagles are so beautiful. Yeah. You hear him chirping. I think I made him mad. Yeah, right. You know, that's pretty good. Oh, I got them both. They're both right there. Awesome, man. Got some good eagle video there. Yeah, I think they've been eating something. Might be a dead animal down there. Plenty of eagles out right now. So we've seen eagles and peregrine falcons and kestrels and a few hawks. Couldn't really get many videos, but at least we got us a couple beautiful eagles. Come on, eagle, talk to me some more. That one's gone. That one don't want to move at all. That's cool. I don't know where the other one went. There's the other one back over here. You see it pretty good too, sitting there. Got 3 eagles out here. There comes the other one back. Well, it's hard to see. He's gonna land over there with his buddy again, probably. Where'd that one go? Yeah, hard to see in his camera all the way over here. Anyway, got some video for today. Beautiful spot. Thank you, Bald Eagle. You want to be a YouTube star right there. That one says, I want to be on TV. Man, it's a beautiful area too, man. Boy, looks like an arrowhead field over there. Found a few arrowheads in this area, but I'm a little ways from home today. Not real far. 30 miles. Well, I just come from my buddy's house. I'm with my buddy, actually. And he got them all around his house, too. He's posted some video on his channel, Country Critters today, of eagles. Right out his front door. So you can check him out if you like eagles and stuff like that. He's got them in his backyard all the time. All kinds of birds. He's got birds. He's got turkeys and emus. And he feeds wild coons all the time and other critters. Well, let's still want to come back. You like to talk. You like to talk as much as I do. That's a pretty good view right there, though. Just had a better zoom on my phone, but oh, it just took a bow. Man, it's pretty out here. Nice country for eagles. Yeah, I just don't see that every day in my neck of the woods, though. Don't hardly ever see eagle out my back door. Oh, there he went. Crap. Missed him taking off. He's gonna go over there with the other one. Yeah, that's pretty good. He landed back behind that one. That's pretty good, though. Raccoon crossing the road. Second raccoon we've seen today. Whoa, the snow got kind of deep on him there, didn't it? Oh, we're kind of having a hard time getting through that snow. It's kind of funny looking. That's pretty cool. There's lots of wildlife in this area, man. Love the wildlife. Blue heron. What's that? That blue heron. Come on, guy. Oh, hold on a second. I'm not very steady. Oh, I was looking at the wrong thing. I didn't have it centered. Yeah, that's a lot better. I don't know if that is. That ain't a blue heron. I don't know. Don't look quite big enough. I can't tell what that is for sure. Could be a blue heron. Could be a small one. I know they got small ones. There's thousands of rookeries around here anymore. You ever seen a rookery? There's a bunch of them around here. Herons are real common. That one looks small. Kind of like an egret or something, maybe. I don't know. He ain't doing nothing, so. Got the geese on the move. Got people out here watching. There's so many geese out here the other day, my buddy said. It's up in millions. Oh, look, here they are. Look at them. They're coming back. Look at all these geese. Yeah. Look at that. I don't know if you can even see the scope of this, but there's thousands upon, whoa, thousands and thousands of them. Whoa, that is so cool. This field is covered for as far as I can see. That's crazy. Let me go down this window. Listen to that. That is pretty cool. Man, that's some geese, buddy. Whoa. Look at all of them. That's thousands and thousands, maybe millions. I don't know. Wow. It's gonna be million geese out there. They're just side by side. They're just packed in there. That's crazy how many there is. Snow geese and Canadians all mixed in there. It's like more snow geese right now. Yeah, that's a... Yeah, once you held up high, you can really see how far. You know, my buddy said there's, what did he say? See, 16 eagles out here the other day with these other side of the road of the geese. Wait, yeah, I can't look over there right now, but there might be some over there right now. They're right close to his house, so. Yep, he's the bird guy, man. If you like birds, go check out Country Critters. Well, can't really see him. Well, I heard a deer on the way home from trip with my buddy, Country Critter, today. Seen a bunch of nice birds, several eagles, a few peregrine falcons, and some kestrels, and bunches and bunches of geese. Big old flock of geese. So I can see my field starting to clear. This is the field I got my little cell in November. Back in November, that's my last good find all the way back in November. And then on Christmas, it's like, where are we at? Let's see. 100 yards to the right of them deer is where I found my last little arrowhead. But hopefully I'll be out in the field soon. It's clearing off. Melted a lot today. Good luck to all.
By bringing you a Maui produced
Much more deer.
Got
down. There's another bunch of deer on the way home, just a mile down the road from the last deer. Seen some more between here and there, but didn't get them on film. Couldn't, just too far away, couldn't see them. There you go. Yeah, it was a great day though. All kinds of wildlife today, coons and deer and all kinds of different birds. So good luck to everybody. Hopefully I'll be out arrow hunting soon, finding some rocks. Is what I want to do.